United States President Donald Trump, under pressure to explicitly condemn a weekend rally by white supremacists that ended in bloodshed, denounces racism and slams the Ku Klux Klan and neo-Nazis as criminals and thugs. Trump was slammed by Democrats and Republicans alike for his initial response to Saturday's violence in Charlottesville, Virginia. A woman was killed and 19 others injured when a suspected Nazi sympathizer plowed his car into a crowd of anti-racism protesters after a violent rally by neo-Nazis and white supremacists over the removal of a Confederate statue. Trump talked tough after meeting with Attorney General Jeff Sessions and new FBI Director Christopher Wray. He says, quote, "Racism is evil, and those who cause violence in its name are criminals and thugs, including the KKK, neo-Nazis, white supremacists, and other hate groups that are repugnant to everything we hold dear as Americans." He adds, quote, "To anyone who acted criminally in this weekend's racist violence, you will be held fully accountable. Justice will be delivered." Trump on Saturday faulted many sides for the violence, but made no specific mention of the white supremacists involved in the attack, some of whom wore Trump hats and T-shirts.